guys, welcome to this video on simplifying rational expressions. A rational expression just refers to a fraction with a polynomial in the numerator and a polynomial in the denominator. Here are a few examples. One thing we need to keep in mind when working with rational expressions is that divisibility by 0 is not allowed. Just like when dealing with regular numbers, you cannot divide by 0. So when dealing with a rational expression, we always assume that whatever x is, it will not give us division by 0. All right, let's take a look at how to reduce a rational expression. We're actually doing the same thing we would do when reducing a regular fraction. So let's say we have 18 over 8. When we reduce this, we can cancel our like terms. So we can rewrite this as 9 times 2 over 4 times 2. We can cancel out our 2's here, giving us 9 over 4. So now we have a fraction reduced down to its simplest form. There's not another number that both our numerator and denominator are divisible by. It works the same way with a rational expression. Let's try reducing our first example. We can rewrite our numerator once we factor this out as x plus 4 times x minus 4 all over x plus 4. And once we do this, we can see that our x plus 4's will cancel out. So we cancel that out, leaving us with x minus 4. Now, we need to be careful when canceling terms. The only reason we were able to cancel out our x plus 4's here was because they are both being multiplied in the numerator and the denominator. This would not work if our top was x plus 4 plus x minus 4 all over x plus 4. Let's now move on to our second example, which is a bit trickier. We can do the same thing that we did in our first example by rewriting our numerator and denominator. So that would give us So we can go ahead here and cancel out our x minus 4's, which would leave us with For our last example, we have, to reduce it, we can rewrite our numerator by factoring out a 4, which would give us x plus 1. In the denominator, we can factor out an x squared, which would give us. But notice, we can factor this out even further so that we can get something to cancel out with our numerator here. At this point, we can cancel out our x plus 1's here, leaving us with. There's no further reduction we can do, so now we have it in our simplest form. I hope that this video has been helpful for you. For further help, be sure to check out more of our videos by subscribing to our channel below. See you guys next time.